easily and effortlessly and see how it works. I'm gonna place it in this position. Here's some manuals, the remote control, the energy plug, the vacuum cleaner itself, some cleaning stuff, and the dock, the charging dock. Let's check the dock first. The dock is very simple and is easy for it to do this thing. I believe you just need to plug the wall socket right here. Oh, and plug it to the wall, and it's gonna do its thing. Now let's check the vacuum cleaner. I'm gonna place this right here to give some space for the vacuum cleaner. Actually, it's better in this position. Okay. Here is underneath the vacuum cleaner. The wheels drop by itself. So I'm gonna tell you how to charge it. There's two metal connectors here. We need to place it right here and right here. This position. The blue light is gonna say it's charging.
Start charging.
So the next thing we gotta do is turn it on.
Hello, Master. I am glad to serve you.
That's awesome.
Start charging.
Then we can
Start to clean room.
So I'm going to place some dirt here and check it in action.
Start to clean room.
And when it's done doing its job to clean it, you just open it here, remove the box with all the dirty. As you can see, it's a lot of dirty inside it. And to clean the box, we just open it, take the filter off. As you can see, there's a lot of dirty. And the sand, we place it, and some other dirty. It's a nice thing that can do everything for us while we are working or doing other activities. And for this type of floor, we can use this. It's very simple to install. All we have to do is to turn the robot upside down and place it right here.
Start to clean room.
Okay guys, so to sum it up, I'm gonna show you a quick overview of what's included in the box. As you can see, it's all what's included. We have here a replacement of the cloth. It's easy to remove and to replace with this one whenever we need it. There is also extra brushes, two filters, the box, the charging dock, and everything you guys already know. So this is it for today, and see you again in the next one.